If you eat 3 eggs a day, what happens to your body? First, your muscle mass will increase. Eggs are one of the most complete amino acid protein foods, with each egg providing 6 to 7 grams of protein, which helps increase muscle mass. Secondly, you will lose weight. Eggs are rich in protein, which increases satiety and reduces appetite. By incorporating eggs into your meals, you can better control your appetite and thus achieve your weight loss goals. Your cardiovascular health will also improve. Studies have shown that eating 3 to 5 eggs a day is good for heart health because they contain dietary cholesterol. Your brain function will also improve. Eggs are rich in lecithin, a nutrient that is essential for brain development and function. If you eat 3 to 5 eggs a day, your concentration and memory will improve. Your eyesight will also be enhanced. Eggs contain powerful antioxidants that are good for your eyes, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. Studies have shown that regular consumption of eggs can increase antioxidant levels in the blood and promote good vision. If you drink a glass of okra water every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor won't tell you until he dies. First, you'll lose weight. High in dietary fiber and low in calories, okra helps promote digestive health, lowers cholesterol levels, and helps with weight control. Secondly, okra also contains probiotic-promoting fiber that helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. It is rich in vitamin A and carotenoids, which are very important for eye health and preventing retinal damage. The sticky fiber in okra can help control blood sugar levels, which can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes. But that's not all. The vitamin C and antioxidants in okra help repair and maintain skin, reduce wrinkles and dryness, and make skin smoother and more resilient. The antioxidants in okra, such as polyphenols and carotenoids, can neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and help prevent chronic diseases and cancer. Eat okra in moderation to help keep you healthy. Follow me for more health tips.